everyone. Patty from the studio. Hope everyone is doing well. I met a friend for lunch yesterday, and there was a thrift store on the way to our outdoor socially distanced lunch. And I thought it was literally right on the way, and I thought I'd swing by. I've seen the store before, but I've never been in. It's about 20 minutes away from my home. So I didn't have a lot of time, though. I cut it a little close, so I did a real fast pass. I usually like to linger and see things a few times. But I got a little haul, but I'm happy with it. So let's see what I got and why. Thanks for stopping by. Let's get hauling. A little haul from yesterday. And like I said, I didn't have a lot of time, so I didn't peruse, 2 or 3 times like I usually do. I only had about 15 minutes, but I picked up some fun things and a lot were on sale. So let's just see what the little haul looks like. I love antique brushes, paint brushes. So these are for me to keep. I love the way they look. I have a display of them and I like to actually use them in some of my painting. So I picked those up for myself. Then this is a beautiful made in Japan piece. I kind of knew that it was, and I was hoping it was part of a Chokin collection, I think how you pronounce it. And sure enough, there it is. Made Japan, a lot of different stickers, and it's decorative, but the gold is in perfect condition. So I thought that was a good pickup. These I don't think are vintage. I just thought they were really cool. Napkin rings. They kind of look like tree bark, perforated, and might be silver plate. I have to look. There might be some indication on the inside. Again, I was like speed shopping, but I have some antique napkins that I haven't posted yet. So I'm thinking if I have a set that goes, I would sell the rings with the napkins. Because, a lot of people are starting with different holidays coming up, so it might be a better time of year to try to sell something like that. Then these are Japan. It's like mommy and baby ashtrays, for lack of a better description. And they are marked Japan. And I liked the design. It looked familiar to me. I have to do some research. It might not be, but I thought it had a real retro vibe to it. And again, ashtrays move quickly in my shop. That's why they came home with me. And then this bunny, even though we're way past Easter and spring at this point, it's solid wood. I think it's made in India. I thought there was a sticker. Might have fallen off. But it's got this kind of raised floral motif on the inside. And I'm not sure if I don't think it's dimensional enough. I've used things like this in the past. I put paint, roll paint on it and use it almost as a huge stamp. I have something like that in my studio. But I thought it was just very interesting and fun. And I like to find interesting and fun things. So that's why I picked up the bunny. And then the last thing, as you know, I love completed needlework. And this is needlepoint. It's not embroidery. It's not cross stitch. It's made with wool. And those stitches indicate needlepoint. So it's on some sort of canvas. Birds do well. And to me, it's very 70s feeling. There's a little stain down here. So I'm going to see if I can get that out myself, or I would note it in the description. But I used to do needlepoint when I was a kid. And needlepoint now, kits, if you went to do it yourself, needlepoint is really expensive, the kits. So I've never had needlepoint for sale. I've had crewel, embroidery, and cross stitch, but never needlepoint. And you can kind of see, that's kind of wearing away. a little bit. You can see the canvas underneath. But I still have confidence in this. And based on how I've sold some other items like this, I think I could get up to $70 for this. Even more if I can get rid of this. And if I can't, like I've said before, I just note it and the buyer can let me know. But I thought it was really fun, very retro. So it's a little haul, but I think every item in it is going to do well. And it was nice to go to a new store. Because, you never have too many thrifting, sourcing opportunities and places. It's always good to have a mixture. So my total purchase, I had the needlepoint, the rabbit, the napkin rings, the 2 ashtrays, and the Japanese dish was $14. That's a pretty nice deal. So it was just interesting to have such a time limit. So I'll have to go back there someday. But thanks for hanging out and thanks for watching. Please hit the like and subscribe button if you liked and want to subscribe. Have a great day. See you later.